don't read, you don't rest. I tell you so, eh? That why don't gas. Don't gas. Guy, I can't find the money. I can't find the money. I don't reach there now. I can't find the money. This is a helpful guy. God, lay your head to your shoulder. Lay your head to your shoulder. Listen to what they come. As I enter here, person don't talk. They don't shook, they don't pump. Plus, say somebody don't go command this money for here and bury it. They don't remove the money from here. Guy, listen to me. Listen to the company. I be like this, I go find that person. I go trace that person blood. I go see spirit. Anybody will carry this money. I go find that person. Say, as I look like this way, I go find that person. I go find her. I tell you now, I go find her. I go find that person. I tell you. I go find her. I go find the person. Spirit of it. Why they see firewood there? Blast people can't arrange firewood and they arrange them. And they see firewood here now. And they tell you now, they see. Why they see full like this?
I don't think there is something wrong with your daughter health-wise.
Why has she not said anything? Nurse, my daughter slumped right before me. Are you now saying that I should not take her to the village clinic? Nurse, did she have an abortion?
No, there is nothing like such. That I can tell.
What is wrong with her? What is actually wrong with my daughter?
Well, it seems that she's traumatized or something.
Traumatized?
Yes. And possibly she witnessed something that is terrible.
Did she say our village gods? Because I heard that it reveals itself to some people, and after that, the person will be traumatized.
No, I don't think so. Such thing doesn't exist anymore.
Then, I am going to take my daughter to Prophet Odumeje. Yes. Whatever it is, he can handle it. I am tired of this whole thing. I am tired. Huh?
She'll be fine. I have to be going now. I'll come later in the evening to check on her. Thank you.
What is all this? Where will I go to? What will I do? Uloma. Hi.
I want to tell you something.
Chidima, you can't be doing this now. Eh? Are you even dead or alive? Eh?
I can't sleep. I'm bored. I want to play. Do you want to play?
Play? Now?
Yes. I want to play now.
Chidima, I don't understand. What do you mean play now? You can always...
Are you going to do it or not?
You're always asking for things at all times. It's...
Drop the packer and the broom and let's play. Now.
Chidima, you're commanding me. Don't
Are
command.
you doing it or not?
Are you threatening me? It's because of what I did to you the other day. I'm just going to agree because of what I did to you the other day. Just enjoy your this thing, your privileges. What do you mean? We should do it here.
Yes. I want to play here.
No problem, it's your turn. The lead now, you're the leader of the dance group. How about this one? This is like this.
Is this madness or what? Obera? What is the meaning of this? Gods of our land. My daughter is running mad.
Don't shout. Follow me.
Please don't kill me. Please.
Your character is not different from Satan.
Ulama. Ulama. Where will this girl go to by this time of the night? Ulama. Where will she go to? Ulama.
Why is your face like that?
Chief, we have a major problem. The money we send the crew to snatch, it has been stolen from its hidden place.
Stolen? By who? Listen, I want my money back. I don't care how you go about it. Get my money back.
We are on it, Chief. I will tell Jaganda and Bullet to track it down. We must get whoever dared to cross us.
They will surely pay. Make them understand the weight of the consequences.
Consider it done, Chief. No one messes with us and goes scot-free. But I suspect Emeka followed Scoopy to know where he kept the money.
I want Emeka here in the next 1 hour.
Good, Chief. But I think the brother knows about the deal. So, yes.
Then get the two of them here. And my money.
Isab, Chief. Isab, Chief.
What is happening to my daughter? What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? What? Where will I run to? What am I going to do? Child. Olama, where are you coming from? I came out here and I didn't see you again. Where have you been? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Who will I run to? In fact, I am taking you to Odumeje's house right now, this night, in fact, this minute.
Mama,
Yes!
I am fine.
You are not fine. Yes, you are not fine, Olama.
Mama, I am fine. And I'm not going anywhere.
Huh? What is wrong with you? What is happening to you? The nurse told me that you are traumatized, that you are not sick. Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? You can't confide in your mother. What is your problems? Please talk to me, my daughter.
I saw our village deity.
What? Olama.
And that's why I've not been talking.
Olama, are you sure?
I am sure.
Hi. I heard that it revealed itself to some people. And after that, the person will be traumatized. What am I going to do? Olama.
Father, please, please.
My son, I cannot release the documents to you without a valid reason. Moreover, you've refused to share the purpose of having this document, and I cannot trust you.
Father, please, you have to trust me for once. My life is at stake. Our lives, the lives of everyone is at stake. I need those documents, please. I'm begging you.
My son, let me educate you. Trust is end. And as long as you refuse to let me have information concerning this document that you want to collect from me, my dear, I cannot release it for you. Can't risk it. The risk is too much for me to bear.
Father, yes. I've pleaded with you, I've begged you countless times to please give me those documents. But you have adamantly refused. See, you cannot stop me this time around. I will get that document whether you like it or not. I'll find my own way to get those documents.
Okay, ikrujenu, ikrujana. Ihe kwuru ka m kwuru. Fine.
Yes, Chief. Chief, whoever owned this phone left the phone there. And they also left their firewood. Chief, children of you carry phone. Go arrange firewood now. Chief, now say the thing big. But I will find the person. Hi! Ha! Oh! If I notice in a Shidima and her friends collect this money, I go meet them. I go show them say na me be Scoopy. Through pepper, for batting to happen, rain go fall. If the rain fall, erosion must flow, na be blood. They go tell me when money start to germinate from ground for this village. They go clear me. I go show them!
You are very wicked, unfriendly friend. You are wolf in sheep clothing. Why are you like this? Your character is not different from Satan. Iwalaka ni yamanife, chilake benare. Opaki buru pom ni mafia. For you to be satisfied.
Anya, good dear. Good dear. Hey!
My daughter, I need to ask you a question, and I demand the truth and nothing but the truth.
Papa, I have told you I am not supporting these people again. You can take them to the council if you want. If you want to take them to the Igwe, it's okay. I don't have a problem with it. Anything you want to do with them, do with them. Eh?
I am not talking about Emeka and Ifai again. Yes.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Like I said, I need the truth and nothing but the truth from you. Are you an Obanje? Ibu nwa Obanje?
Yes, sir.
Ibu nwa Obanje? Are you an Obanje?
Papa, what kind of question is that? Where is this coming from?
What I want is yes or no. And if your answer must be no, let me make it short. Take this, turn it on your head 3 times, and give it back to me. Let us know the truth. Ngwa. Narame. Turn it 3 times on your head. Mbu, mbo, nto. Ha.
Papa, like I told you, I'm not an Obanje. I don't understand where this question is coming from. Nekuya.
Yeah. We go say,
Papa, I don't understand. What are you saying? Where is this coming from?
Hey. Then, if you are not an Obanje, why were you dancing with your friend that night? Last night, yes.
Oh, that. Papa, we were rehearsing. We were rehearsing for a competition.
Competition?
Competition.
At night?
Yes. Papa, I know it might sound awkward to you, but you know, there's this challenge on Instagram, TikTok, is that fan called? Facebook. There's this challenge going on. So anybody that wins, the money is too much. And you know, I told you one of my friends now, she bought a phone. So that her new phone, that's what we'll use it to post the challenge. So we're practicing. Even now that you called me, I was just thinking of the dance. Am I going to moves and all that? So all the minutes, immediately you called me, I forgot myself. Am I going to now, boy, I'm going to like this, something like this.
Cholo, you never told me anything like that about your friend buying a new phone.
Papa, maybe I must have forgotten. I was thinking, it's as if I've said something like that to you. I didn't know I didn't say it. It's the dance.
Chief, they've been hiding for 2 days now. I bet you with my life, this time around, we will find them. I don't think they've left the village.
Don't think. Act! If you cannot find a single person in this village, of what use are you to me? If you can't find him, get his brother. If you get his brother, he will have no choice than to come out.
Chief, we are doing our best. And in just 1 more day, he will be delivered. It's a promise, Chief.
Listen, I don't care how you do it. I pay you heavily, for goodness. I pay you heavily. If the brother interferes, kill him. Okay, Chief. I will take care of Chukwemeka myself. Get out here, Chief. Now some thief.
You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything in this life, but not forever.
Ma, your friends, they have not come to see you. What is going on?
My friends. Mama, these days it's very difficult to trust people. You should know better.
Of course I know better. That doesn't mean I will not trust them. Wakama told me that you people had a fight. Do you know him?
Good day, ma.
Good day. Who are you?
I'm looking for Chidima.
Chidima. Chidima! 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 Maybe she stepped out.
Maybe she saw me and left.
What did you say?
Nothing. When she comes back, tell her I came looking for her.
Nambiko Ebukwanoye?
My name is Nnamdi.
Nnamdi. Okay, I will tell her.
I should have listened to you. I should have believed in you as in my mama.
Chidima. You were here just now and your friend came. I was calling you. I'm even surprised that you're not seated near me again.
I didn't want to see him.
Is there a problem?
No, Mama.
Are you sure? Okay, as I was saying, Makama is a good girl. You understand? So you should learn to trust her, no matter the problem. Okay?
Mama, I can't trust anyone. You need to follow me now.
Oh, Chidima, you need to stop this now. You need to stop it. You know it was a mistake.
I don't have time for this talk. You need to follow me to Ohia Esiagu now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Wakama, we are going somewhere. So go in there and change.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere with you. I need to be somewhere.
And where could that be?
Somewhere important.
Revenge! Follow me. Some.
I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about, right? You know very well that you and your friends are the only persons that fetches firewood at Ohia Ishagu. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
Okay. I don't know what you are talking about. What is this now? Are we the only girls in this village that goes there to fetch firewood? So you can go somewhere else and ask your questions. Okay, please leave my mother's house, Biko.
Uloma, the same grace that passeth all human understandings. Now this same grace keep Nebuchadnezzar for bush for 7 years. Listen, I know you need money in as much as I need. I'm not saying you not collect for the money. Collect small. But give me back my money. This money is very important to me. And it gets why.
Okay. I don't have your money. Do you hear me? Please leave my mother's house. Oh, okay. You don't want to go. Mama!
You don't like yourself.
What was that all about? Who is that young man to you?
Mama, I'm hungry.
Are you two quarreling?
No! No, Mama, he's my friend. He came to greet you. But
Me?
Yes, Mama. Let's go. Well, yes.
The food is ready.
Wicked soul, wicked man, wicked friend, a friendly friend. Ooh,
Wankama, stop. Stop. Wankama, stop.
But one day, monkey go market, you not go return at all. You never tire your evil way. Every day by day, you are looking for.
Wankama, where are you going to? Where are you going to? Answer me. This is not the road to your house. Stop. Wankama, stop. No! 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 Something is happening.
What more do you want from me? I've done everything you asked me to do. Just leave me alone.
You need to go to Ishiago.
No, I can't.
I cannot reach Wanka. Her father is blocking me out. As we speak, she's being protected. Right now, it's just me and you. They might find my corpse.
Is that a bad thing?
Of course it is. If they find my corpse, I'll be buried. And when my body is buried, I will not have access to my mother the way I do now. I'm not ready to die yet.
But you're already dead.
Because you killed me.
Technically, Wakama killed you.
You have to cover me up. You're as guilty as she is. We need to act fast before it's too late. We need to act fast before they find my body.
Chidima, please, leave me alone. I am begging you, leave me alone.
You have to!
goes here now? Let it not be that thieves want to enter my house.
You had the temerity to call me to tell me that you saw Emeka with your 2 eyes and he escaped?
I'm sorry, boss. I was almost closing in on them. But all of a sudden, I didn't see where they entered. I mean, I couldn't find them. I'm deeply sorry, boss. We'll try our best, boss. Sorry, boss.
What type of stupid excuse is this? My money is missing and you're here talking gibberish.
Chief, I'm sorry. You see, this time, he will not escape this. Please, I'm sorry.
It will never happen again. Because if it does, both of you will begin to pay with your lives one by one. Now get out of my sight. Get out!
You can do anything in this life, but not forever.
Akwa he kwuru ka na-eme maka na afọ eruo ka heru dela tọtọ ya wongiga no maka na oriela no ka heru ya wudela ga tọtọ ya wongiga ife
You didn't wanna. Sit down. Sit down. Why are you looking at us that way? What happened? Listen, I can't lose you like I lost your sister.
But what are we doing here?
Young lady,
It's for your good. It's for your good.
start speaking.
No, I can't say it.
You can.
I can't.
You can.
I'm sorry, I can't.
And you will. Akwa feru ka heru dela tọtọ ngiga. Hey. Oriela ka heru dela ke we tọtọ ngiga.
Man, Sapiro, I am tired of this country. I need to leave this country and I need Chief's help to be able to do that. Being in this country is as good as being dead. I need Chief's help. Chief is the only one that can help me at this point in time. My biggest problem now is that I can't seem to find where my father kept the land's documents. And that is the only thing I need to gain Chief's trust.
Akuna.
I hear you.
Chief requires a tangible commitment. You will have to perform a task for him. Something that showcases your loyalty and resourcefulness. There is a job that needs immediate attention.
What is it? Whatever it is, I'll try my best to do it. I need Chief's trust. I need to gain his help. Whatever it is, just tell me, I'll do it. Please, I can't continue to stay in this country. I just need to leave. Please, tell me, what is it?
Akuna, Chief needs someone that will retrieve a valuable package from the runaways. It is a dangerous job, but if you succeed without being caught, that will demonstrate your loyalty and determination.
Who this package now?
Guy, Alpha. Yes, now I don't run now. I don't search everywhere. The whole house now, I don't search. I can't find anything. I'm not shaking. Of course, I'll keep on searching. I will run now. Don't worry now, sure?
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come back, Coco, Maki, Bemo, Apollo, come surround me anymore. Apollo, Apogini, come already, yes, anymore.
My baby. My baby, where are you? Mom, where are you? I miss you so much. I'm so sorry, Chidima. Mama, I'm so sorry if I offended you. Please come back to me. Come back to me. My baby. Chidima, please come back to me. Come back to me. Else I will keep drinking. I will not stop. Please come back to me. Mama.
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come back, Coco, Maki, Bemo, Apollo, come surround.
You need to take my corpse out of here before they come.
Alone? You know I can't do this alone. I will need help.
The only help you have has saved herself. Start now.
What are you doing here?
Hey!
Oh, that is the corpse of your friend. And that is the money, right? I know. You killed your friend because of the money. Right?
No.
You are one hair of a surprise.
Don't let him go close to my body.
He's holding a gun.
Shut up!
Don't kill anybody. Please bring down the gun. He will kill me.
Of course I will kill you. I need my money.
My body.
He will kill me.
I've always known.
Ah! Hey! Hey! Okay, thank you. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Papa, thank you. He wanted to kill me. He wanted to kill me.
Someone is coming.
Papa?
Yes.
She's evil. She and her father. Chimo!
Hey!
Fine. What do we do now? I mean, you know there's no running from Chief. We are as good as dead. We need to find a better place to hide. Yes. You said he will not come home looking for us? That's what I thought. But we can't bank on that. Fine. We cannot. Fine, what do we do?
Seriously, there's no mercy when it comes to Chief. Yes.
But even at that, we need to surrender
We
now.
cannot surrender. If you must surrender, you must have his money complete. What are you saying? Huh? Oh, God.
But at least, either way, we are dead. Alright? We are not... Oh God, Jesus. Ifeanyi, listen, I know I caused the whole thing. I know. I know I put you all through this stress and all, but you won't blame me now in one name. You will not. Because that money was collected at a gunpoint from me. It's almost as if I was faced with a blow, faced man to man. You know, I would have protected it, but with money. Anyway, man, I had to run for my life. Eh?
I think Mwakamwa was the one that arranged for those boys that robbed you.
What? What do you mean Mwakama was conspired? Are you serious?
Because I'm very sure she was not around the day you left. She went to fetch firewood with her friends.
But if we ask her now, she might deny it. She will still deny like she did before.
But we need to ask her. We must ask her. What is all this?
Hey, did you hear that noise? Ifeanyi, run! Ifeanyi!
You can play with anyone, but not with me. You have no idea how desperate I am to make money. I am taking you to Chief, whether you like it or not. So move. Move. Fast. Move it. I'm not playing with you. Move it. Go fast!
Uloma, daughter of Emenike, I hope you know the penalty of murder in this kingdom.
Yes, Ichi, but I didn't kill anyone.
Oh, you did not kill anyone? Then who did? And why were you found with two corpses in the evil forest?
Nai. It's Nwakama. Nwakama killed Chidima and I helped her in covering up.
Oh, you helped her in covering up. I see. Okay, that is noted. And what about the young man that was equally killed in the forest today?
It's still the same Nwakama. The boy wanted to kill me and Nwakama hit him on his head and he died. I did not kill him.
Okay, are you trying to tell me that if I ask for Nwakama to come here, that she will admit this accusation you are leveling against her?
Yes, she will.
You're sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure it's the truth.
Very sure.
I'm very sure it's the truth. Leave me now.
Okay. And there you go to Wakama's house. Fetch her immediately before the spit I put in the ground dries up. Ozubo.
Okonobu.
How come the watcher? I did not kill anybody. I am innocent. Please
Let's wait
believe
for her to
me.
Cool down. Calm down. She will come. Eh?
She will say the truth. You
I got money in okay.
kill anybody. Oh, for you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Nine. I'm here to see Wakama. She's someone that they know whose house. Yes, Nine.
What did she do?
Nine, I don't know.
Wakama. She said. I just thought this young man. This young man said that you are needed at Onobu's house.
Me?
Yes, Wakama. You're needed there.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I don't know why they want to see me. I don't know why they need me. What do you want with me?
Yeah, Wakama. You just have to follow me to Onobu's house. When you get there, you will know why they want to see you.
My daughter.
Papa.
It is wrong to keep an elder waiting. Don't keep an elder waiting for so long. So you go there with him. Protect my daughter.
Wakama, you come, let's go.
Just follow me.
Hey, go, I'm following you. Go now, must you hold me?
Come, let's go.
Why do they need my daughter there?
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Akuna! Akuna, please come and untie me now. Come and untie me. I don't have the money. Akuna! Akuna, you have to believe me. I don't have the money. Please. Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Emeka, where are you now? We don't have to be far from each other now. Hey, don't move! Now raise your hands up. Keep your hands where I can see them. Raise them up. Don't do this to me, please. I beg you. I'm going to shoot you. I'm desperate and I need No, raise your hands up. No, please, Akunda, please. Don't do this to me. No. Akunda, please, don't. Don't. Move!
Wakama. Why I asked them to leave is for us to have a private discussion. I don't want you to hear what we are saying. As you know of this kingdom, I want you to tell me the truth. Do you have a hand in the death of your friend Chidimma?
Chidimma? Yes. Which Chidimma? Enne? Or Chidimma?
Tell us the truth.
Hey! Onye Budia.
Wakama, stop beating about the bush. Go straight to the question. Do you have a hand? Answer, yes or no?
Chidimma. Chidimma is dead. Hey! How? When? How can I kill my best friend? The person you are talking about is my best friend. My bosom friend. Uloma knows. I didn't even know she's dead. Hey! Uloma, Chidimma, what happened? What happened to Chidimma, Uloma? How did Chidima die? Okuke is that Chidima won't go. Oh!
Wakamma, how come that Oloma said that you killed Chidima?
She said I killed Chidima.
Yes.
My best friend. My bosom friend. Hey! Oloma, did you come here to tell Onowu that I killed Chidima? Oh. No wonder the Bible said that the heart of man is desperately wicked. The heart of man is desperately wicked, Afugomia. Oloma, I know you've never liked me. I know. It's no news to me. I know it. But what I did not know is that you hate me this deep. Amahom na hatred inwere for mo. This deep. That you went as far as accusing me of killing my best friend. My bosom friend because of a man.
Hey! Wakama, the same Bible says that truth shall set you free. Wakama, say the truth now. Forget about the consequences. Say the truth so that you can have peace in your heart. Nai, I am telling you the truth. Wakama, you killed Chidima. Wakama, say the truth. And the truth shall set you free. Now don't listen to her. Wakama, say the truth. You killed our friend. You killed Chidima. Say the truth now. It's a kubondo. You are lying.
Ulom, is this how you are? Thank God you said it with your mouth. We both went to the same Sunday school. Thank God you know that portion of the Bible that said, say the truth, and the truth will set you free. So what the hell? Can't you hear the truth?
Yes! Say the truth!
Say the truth.
Now let us say the truth.
Exactly.
Okwifuru, this pretty serpent. This beautiful Ekwensu that you're seeing here was sleeping with Chidima's boyfriend behind her. When I found out, being a good person, because 3 of us were friends, so that I will not put trouble in our midst, I called her as a good person that I am. As Chineke that I am. I called somebody I thought was my friend. I told her that this thing you are doing is not good. Do stop it. Ogukwa Ihojo Mary. I did not tell. I didn't go further to tell Chidima because I don't want trouble. If I had known, I would have told Chidima so she would be alert. After telling this demon, the next step she took, from what I just discovered now, is that she killed Chidima because of a boy. Because of Chidima's boyfriend, Don't
listen to this girl. She's lying. What am I lying?
She's the only suspect I have in mind now, as it is. As it is, she's the only suspect because she has motive. I killed Chidima. What is my motive? What is my motive?
Let me tell you her motive. She killed Chidima. She killed Chidima and I helped her to cover it up because she refused to take her to the hospital. I told her, let's take Chidima to the hospital before Chidima will die finally. She said no. She said no, that we should go, that nobody will find out tonight. I did not kill Chidima. I've never killed anybody before. I can't even kill a fly.
You see, remember they said, what an elder can see sitting.
The youth cannot see it, even if we climb the biggest Iroko tree. Thank God you are sitting. You can see everything tonight. You can see my heart. You can see, I know beam. And you can see that I'm telling the truth. Ichie, believe me, I am saying the truth. I did not kill Chidima. This one mad. I killed Chidima. I only helped her cover. I helped her cover the whole crime because she refused to take her to the hospital. And I told her, I told you Wakama, let's take her to the hospital.
You just hear what she had just said.
She's talking nonsense. Inako, north, south, west, east. Inako, iri. Ah, no. Thank God you are an elder. I believe your spirit of discernment is very high. From everything that has happened here, because I do not understand how somebody that said I killed my best friend will now turn around. I said, after killing her, she said, let's take her to the hospital. She now said,
Hold on. And you hold on. What will happen that both of you you will take an oath for us.
Yes.
So that we know who is saying the truth.
Now I will swear.
All the number, but
I will swear.
You must swear.
Yes.
Two of you must swear.
Now I will swear.
Yes. Okay.
I will swear. It's you.
Yes, we will swear.
It's you.
We'll swear.
It's you that gets to the master.
It's you that gets to the master.
It's okay. It's okay.
Tell me where you both kept the money you stole from Defense and more. I need to dismantle this oppression in this village. Do not lie to me.
Akonna, please, you need to believe us. You need to believe me. I had no idea. I had no where. Akonna, please, I'm not involved. I swear on my life. I don't know where the money is. I was attacked by a robber who made away with all the money. I swear, believe me. Please untie us. Please.
Akonna, please, believe us. My brother here had no involvement. We had a plan to return his loan. But on his way, the robbers blocked him and took away the money from him.
It is hard for me to believe that you both are the victims here. I mean, the timing was too convenient.
Father, I need those land documents because I want to take a loan from the bank. Yes, and they need a collateral before they can assist me with the loan. It's for an urgent business. Please.
What is the urgency in the business that you don't want me to know?
Father, you know my friend Abi, Kelechi. You know Kelechi now?
Yes.
Mama Nkechi's son. The one that traveled abroad.
That built that house near Amaike.
Yes, he's the one. See, Father, he's importing some cars to Nigeria. And he wants me to be the one to market those cars for him. So I need those land documents so that I can get the loan from the bank. Then I'll use the money to go to the wharf and clear those cars. Those cars has been shipped and they are on their way to Nigeria at this moment.
And why were you hiding this information from me?
Father, you know our community now. You know how our community is. If they see someone succeeding, they will kidnap or kill the person. Even Kelechi is very scared. He doesn't want anybody to know his dealings. I'm the only one he trusts. You remember the last time they tried to kidnap his mother? So he doesn't want anybody to know his dealings at all. Father, you don't need to worry at all. I'm only trying to play safe. It's not as if I'm sending the money to anybody. The money will be with me. Do you understand? See that, once I sell one car, only one car, it will be enough for me to clear off our loan and get back our land documents. Please, I just need this money to go to the wharf and clear the cars. That's all.
Okay. If this is the purpose for the documents, I will give it to you. But be very, very careful. The land is family land. Please.
Yes, Father, I understand. I know that. And I cannot play with it at all. Like I told you, the money is going to be with me. I'm not sending the money to anybody. I just need this money to be able to go to the wharf and clear the cars. That's all.
Okay. My son, Like as I said before, I will give you the document. I've made the promise to you. I will go and get it, so don't worry yourself. Just hold on. I'm not here. Yes, sir.
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come back, Coco, Maki, Bemo, Apollo, come surround me.
Mama. Mama, what are you thinking?
I don't know. I just don't know. For days now I have been feeling this bad mood. It's like chills, as if something is wrong somewhere, but I can't seem to know what or why.
Mama, everything will be all right. Please, be strong for me, okay? You'll be fine. Mama, you have to be strong. I will not be here for long.
Are you leaving so soon? You said 1 month now, it's not up to 1 month.
Mama, I am not going to the city yet, but I will soonest. Okay?
Okay.
Let me get water.
Get me water to drink too. Huh?
Mama, remember what I said.
I will. Go and get the water.
Friends have killed me, Mama. I am now a ghost. I am now a ghost. Just bury my body.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well done, Mama. Mama, how are you doing today?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you today, Ma. Mama,
Yes.
I'm here to tell you something.
What is it?
Mama, you have to be strong. Oh?
Okay, what is it? Did anything happen?
But you have to put yourself together, oh? So, nothing, just be strong, okay?
Okay.
Mama, it's about your daughter, Chidima. Chidima, Mama, Chidima is dead. She has been dead for days now.
You are a very madman. You are a madman. Who are you? And why is Ngakwe Eko?
Mama, you don't know me. I am a hunter in this village. My name is Steve. Mama, you need to follow me to the Onowo's house.
Steve, or whatever you call yourself, if you don't get out of my house now, I will leave my house. Get out! Sebenpo!
Mama, I cannot walk in here and say something I'm not sure of.
I will call you hot water if you don't leave my compound.
Mama, follow me. Just come and confirm.
Follow Onwegi. Follow Buko Onwegi. My own daughter. Chidima! Chidima that just went to get water for me to drink.
What?
Wait, let her come out. Chidima! Chidima! Come out!
Let her come out so that I can confirm if she's the same person whose corpse I saw in the bush.
It's your daughter's corpse that you found. Chidima, leg, come out.
I'm telling you the truth.
Chidima! What is she doing inside? Come out so that this stupid man will carry his blasphemy and go. He's looking for who to kill. Chidima!
Did you find her?
Chidimma! Chidimma!
Mama, come back. She's not dead.
Chidimma! Chidimma!
Mama, follow me to the Unohu's house. Mama, follow me to the Unohu's house. Your daughter's corpse is... Mama! Mama! Hey! Mama! Somebody help! Oh! Hey! This one is trouble. Hey. This one is double trouble. Somebody help! Mama! 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 Hey! Somebody help! Oh! Who is in this area? Help! Oh! Mama! Mama! Mama!
Where is my daughter? Where is Uloma, my daughter? My daughter I know can never hurt an ant, let alone killing human being. Go and bring back my daughter, or go and bring back my daughter. If anything happens to my daughter, I swear to God, you will regret ever knowing me.
Namuloma, I'm very sorry the way things have turned out. But I was just sent to call you to come to Nohu's house. So please, go to Nohu's house and know what's happening.
Go to Nohu's house?
Yes.
To do what? Why is my daughter in Nohu's house? What is she doing there? What is her offense?
Namuloma, like I said, come to Nohu's house.
Just come down. Just listen to me. Listen to me. If anything happens to my daughter, I swear to God, I swear to Almighty God, you people will regret ever knowing us. Ulama! Ulama! Oh, Ulama! Who am I going to tell you? Who will I run to? Hey! Hello!
It's okay. It's okay. Because of your health. Please.
Mama, sorry.
Because of
your
health.
Because of
Hi! I didn't know. This was why I was feeling very sad this morning.
Mama Chinemi is okay. Mama is okay. Yeah.
Hey! I don't know, this was why I was feeling sad. I was feeling very, very bad this morning. I didn't know my daughter is dead. My only daughter. They have ended up killing you. They have succeeded in killing you. Hi! Okay. Somebody wrong. And I was living with her. I never knew I was with a ghost. She was here. She was here. I was living with a ghost.
It's okay, Mama.
I want to see my daughter.
You want to see her? Okay.
I want to see my daughter.
No problem. Let's go and see her. But you have to be strong for us, okay? Please, you push your help out.
I want to see my daughter.
Mama, be strong for us, okay? Help out.
Adam, you're back.
Yes, Papa.
How did it go? Sit down.
Papa, they said I have to swear tomorrow. Papa, I don't want to die, you. I don't want to die.
You will not die, my daughter. You will not die.
Which one is that I will not die? But you know I did it. I killed her. And Papa, you know the deity of our land does not forgive anybody who lies. They will catch me. Ha! This is the end of the road for me. Oh. Hey!
Adam, even at that, you will not die. Onye nna ya na-agwa otoro a na-eto afọ. Nwatakịrị nna edu iri ori na-eji ọkpa agbawa ụzọ. Mma
Papa.
o nwere ife ga-eme gị. Like I told you. Na nwa nna edu iri ochi na-eji ọkpa agbawa ụzọ. Ọganigwe. 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 Hey! Ngwa. Take this.
Huh?
Take it.
I should drink it.
Yes, drink it. Drink it. Ngwa. Gush it down.
Hey, Papi Sia Joka. The smell is awful.
It is very powerful. That's why it is powerful.
Yeah.
As. Ngwa. Gush it. It's okay. Now listen to me.
Yeah?
The seed of a lion must be strong. How are you feeling it? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Odabago now. That's my daughter. I don't go see. Udugu.
Papa.
I go wine.
Papa.
Look at it. Eh? Anything you say in the next 48 hours is truth and nothing but the truth.
Just because I drank this thing. Papa, you sure it will work? Papa, we can't gamble with this thing. We are talking about Ulasi. We're talking about Ulasi, swearing at the shrine of Ulasi. How are you sure this thing will work?
Ma,
Pa?
my daughter, you are the only child I have in this whole world. And it is my duty, my entire duty to protect you. No harm will befall you. Not while I'm still alive. Eh? Besides, it is tested and trusted. I have used it before. And nothing happened to me.
Papa, you have used it?
Yes.
Papa, the only time I can remember you swearing when Uncle died. Nyampe Emeka.
Yes. Yes. You have repented me.
Papa, are you saying you killed Emeka's father?
I did not say that, this girl. No questions, no answers. What I can't do, you joke about also. My concern is that he will not die.
So how did you try it and see that it worked?
You see, I tried it, it worked for me, and now it will work for you.
Papa Cheregoduna, I am asking you again. Are you saying you killed Emeka's father?
Now you know what I know. Yes, you are on the same page with me. We're on the same page. We're now partners in the same crime. You are lucky you have a father like me.
Papa.
Will you shut up and keep quiet, this girl? You ask so many questions. From now, no questions, no answers. I've told you my mind. Huh? What of you that killed your best friend? Did I send you?
Papa, that was an accident.
An accident?
I didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, many things in this world happen by accident. Eh? Many things in this world happen by accident, by mistakes, by accident. Very good.
Just look at you two useless maggots. How dare you let Emeka slip through your fingers? He ran off with my money. You saw him and let him escape? I think I'm being lenient with you people. I think I need to take a more drastic action so that you will know how important it is for me to hold that boy, to get hold of him. Why am I paying you? Why?
Boss, we searched everywhere for him. Just like he vanished into thin air. As we speak, we don't even know where he is. Sorry, boss, but we keep doing our best, boss.
Can you hear yourself? I don't care. Let him vanish into the sky. Find him. Otherwise, I will do something to you that will give you the type of pain that you have never imagined.
We will double our efforts. Boss, we won't rest until we track him down and bring him to you,
yes,
dead or alive.
That's the promise, boss.
The choice is yours. Because if you fail, death will be the least of your worries. Now get out. Get out!
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Just imagine. Why am I paying these idiots? Why? And they can't give me results.
Chidimma. Oh, Mama, I'm sorry. Oh. Chidimma, become a random. If I had known, I would not have asked you to come visit me. Oh. You would have been in the city and alive. Hey! God, who did I offend? Who did this to me? Who did I offend? Oh! Hi!
Mama! 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 Your sweet daughter is home!
Hey!
Mama! 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 Mama!
Hey! Chima! Hey! Nem! Look at how beautiful you are. Hey! Nem, welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No, wait.
Mama, how are you?
Even if I'm not fine, I am fine. Look at you, looking so beautiful. Hey!
Mama, I brought a lot of things for you
Are you
inside the box,
serious?
but my man asked you to give you this money.
Chima! Your man?
Yes, Mama.
Chidimma, you now have a man.
Mama, yes, so.
Hey!
Mama, if you see my man, oh my goodness, he's very handsome, very caring, and very rich. He says he wants to marry me.
Hey! My daughter will get married soon.
Yes, oh,
hey!
Mama.
I cannot wait to meet your man.
Mama, you like him when you see him. Trust me, yes.
Hey!
Mama, let's go inside. I have plenty gist for you.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mama!
Mama, I missed you.
I have missed you so much. Hey! Welcome.
What rubbish?
Mama, can you calm down?
Don't tell me to calm down. You know what? Both of you can go to hell. I don't care.
But calm down. I've been talking to you.
Nem, what is it?
Mama, is it not one karma? Every time she'll be fighting me. I don't know if I'm a problem. Huh? Am I the one that says she should not go to the city? She's always angry at me.
And Mama, I've been telling her to calm down, and she's been upset.
It's okay. Uloma, you can go.
Mama, Uloma is not the problem. Stop telling her to go.
I said you can leave. Leave my house. You can go.
Okay, Mama. Please tell her to calm down. The Mabuto, oh. You see.
Mama, what Kama is the problem? She's the one always fighting me, not Uloma.
Shut up. Sit. Listen, I'm a woman. Mere looking at her face, you will see that she is not happy. I don't know why they are jealous of you. Listen, from now, whenever you come back, stay away from these girls. Stay, in fact, don't go near them again. Are you hearing me?
Mama,
don't go, don't have anything to do with them again.
Mama, see, if I stay away from them, it will look as if I'm forming big girl for them because I now stay in the city.
Form big girl, no problem. But don't go near them again. They are jealous of you.
Mama, what I noticed, anytime I talk about my boyfriend to one Kama, she gets angry. I don't know.
We are saying the same thing. Envy and jealousy. That is what it is. Yeah, you eat granite. It's Mama Ebuka's granite. It's very sweet.
Mama, I don't want.
Come, let's go. I've finished cooking. It's because you want to go and see your friends. Mama, where are you off to this ceremony?
I'm going to fetch firewood with my friends.
Friends? The same friends? Moreover, you told me you were going to buy gas or stove for me. Why go fetch firewood?
Hey, that's true. Mama, don't worry. By Monday, I'll go to the market and I'll get you the stove. Alright? Meanwhile, one Kama has apologized to me. So let me just quickly go and get firewood that we can use today.
Go fast, eh? Go and come back
After
fast.
today, I'll cut them off.
Oh yeah, go and come back fast. Besides,
will.
I want to speak to that your man when you come back.
That's true. Ha, Mama, my phone is switched off. He must have been trying to reach me.
When you come back, you go to Chief's house and plug it, oh?
Okay. Mama, take care. I'll be back shortly.
They have killed you. If you had listened to me, would they have killed you? I told you to avoid these girls. You refused. They are your friends. Well, Leniano, Mexican say me no. Where do I start from? Who will be my daughter? Hi. Wamo. Hi. Onye ka m ga-akọrọ? Who will be my daughter? Oh.
Baby, I'm sorry I didn't let you know I was coming.
What happened? I thought I lost you.
No, you cannot lose me. I'm here for you now. I'm not going anywhere.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm happy. I'm happy to see you again. You know I went to look for you at your hometown.
Really?
Yes. I couldn't bear it when I couldn't reach you on the phone.
I'm sorry about that. I'm here now.
And I'm happy. Thank you.
It's okay.
I know you must be famished. What do I get for you?
I don't want anything. I just want to be here with you. Let's not go anywhere.
I feel the same way. But you need to have something. Let's go get something outside and then come back home.
I'm fine. We can eat whatever is remaining in the house.
Oh, there is nothing in this house. Do you know, I have not been able to cook since you left. So I suggest I rush to the mall, get something while you go upstairs and freshen up. Alright? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go. Don't worry, I'll get that.
Let me go through them and see if they are worth the favor you seek.
Sir, this document represents our family's land and it is valuable to us. I believe it will serve as a collateral for the loan I need for my travel documents.
It's okay. Give me a while. Let me go through them, okay? Akuna, this land is not worth the kind of money you seek to escape. But not to worry. I'll make things happen for you. I'm going to add extra fund to the loan and you pay me back later with a small fee, of course. How about that?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate your generosity. But I have to consider the consequences of taking more loans from you because this is our only land. And if I'm taking loans from you, I need to be sure that it's something that I can pay back comfortably. Is there no other course of action, or is this the best course of action to take?
Akuna, my boy, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to escape from your old self and start afresh. Think of what the extra money can do for you. Of course, I trust you will take a good decision.
It's okay, sir. Thank you so much once more. I appreciate everything you do. But I just need some time to weigh these options. I just need some time, please. Just give me small time.
It's okay. Take your time. But don't forget that this offer will not last forever. Time is ticking.
My love, I want us to go see your mother this coming weekend.
Not now. I want to see your own family first.
Sure, we will. You know, it is time both families get to know each other. And do you know, the moment you left this house, I realized how much I have come to love you, that I couldn't do without you for even 1 second.
I love you too. That's why I'm back here. But you won't understand.
What? Don't tell me. My thoughts all this while has been right. Are you sure no one is trying to take you away from me?
No one will take me away from you.
Well, that's not a problem. You know what? I am going to make you my wife as soon as possible.
Don't make a promise you cannot keep. Like I said, you will not understand.
Promise. As a matter of fact, I am ready to fulfill this promise, even tomorrow. In fact, I am going to surprise you tomorrow.
Don't do anything funny.
Funny? I don't think what I'm about to do is funny. Rather, it's gonna blow your mind. My darling.
I, Wakama Okori, swear that if I have a hand in Chidima's death, let the gods of our land judge me. I told you all that I am innocent.
You are innocent.
I am innocent.
She is innocent. My daughter is innocent. Yes, the gods have vindicated her.
No, let her try it again. Let her try again. Let her try again.
No. We'll do it once. This is your turn. Take it from me. Take it from me. Good.
I, Uloma Dike, swear by this of our land that if I have a hand in the death of my friend Chidinma, let this offer strike me.
What is it? What is it, Chidinma?
Hey! No! It's a lie! It's a lie! No! 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 My daughter is innocent!
My spirit is restless. No peace at all. Come back, Coco.
My love. Babe? Honey? Hey. Where have you been? I was looking for you everywhere.
I was at the visitor's toilet. I was about to wash it.
Come on, baby, you don't have to do that. The woman cleaner will be here today. She'll get it done, okay?
Okay.
Hey, is everything all right? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Let me prepare something for you to eat.
Must you worry? We'll get something from outside. I'll make orders, your favorite. Okay?
No. Don't start what you cannot finish.
Come on, my love. I mean it.
I never see this coming on my way. I should have listened to you. I should have believed you.
What was that? Babe? Babe? Are you okay?
Are you saying you didn't see my woman?
Okay, I'm not seeing her. She not come outside. She go there inside.
No. She's not in there. Where did she go to?
That one.
Don't worry, you can go. Go back to your post.
Okay.
Chief. If I catch Emeka and his brother and bring them to you alive, what will be my reward?
I wonder the type of magic you will do.
Because my boys have turned this village upside down to no avail.
Chief, see, I have my ways. And besides, I'm from this village. Your boys are not from this village. Some of them even came from the city. So believe me when I tell you that I can do something.
You know what? If you find them, I will give you 2 million naira. Not as a loan, but as a compensation.
Well, it's a deal. See, Chief, I am full of surprises. And I promise you, I will surprise you.
Go ahead.
Alright, thank you, sir. In that case, I have to take my leave now.
It's okay. Do you think he can do it? Chief, hold on. I will surprise you.
You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything in this life, but not forever. You are very wicked, unfriendly friend.
Not do anything. I did not do anything. No. I didn't do anything. Mama.
come to this. Oh,
Mama, I need you to leave. Mama, they are going to kill me for the crime I did not commit.
No, never. I will not believe it. We are going to fight it together. I am going to fight this to the last drop of my breath. No.
Please, they won't listen. Mama, they will not listen to you. Mama, I am innocent. I did not do anything.
I know.
Mama, these people, they are blinded with their own rage and thirst for vengeance. They will not listen to you, Mama. They will not.
I am not going to abandon you here. I am not going to abandon you. We are going to find the evidence. We will find evidence to prove your innocence. Please, please. I'm not going. Please, my daughter.
Too late. The judgment has been passed, Mama. It's too late. No. Promise me you'll be fine. Promise me you'll take care of yourself.
No.
I'll try and find peace. Promise me.
No, I can't promise you that. I won't. Ulama, we are going to find this. I am not going to leave you to face this all alone. No, I can't do that.
No,
I am going to let you
go. I am sorry.
Come out, let's go.
Mama, now stop it. Please, stop
go.
Please. Please, I don't want it to stop.
No, I can't leave. What am I leaving for? 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 Is that the land? Where are you? Where are you? Because of our land. Because of our land. My daughter is innocent. My daughter is innocent. My daughter is innocent.
I love you so much. And I can't live without you. You mean the whole world to me. You are my sunshine. You're the reason I smile. You're the reason I feel so complete. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please. Will you marry me? Be my wife, please.
Don't do this. I will not take it.
I said it. I knew it. I've been sensing it all this while. Yes, yes. There's another guy. You've been talking to another guy.